I live in Canada and I love going for long trips, and to make sure that I don't face any problem during those long trips, I enjoy my time. I keep a lot of useful accessories with me. You never know which may come very handy for you at the right time. So let me show you all of those, and maybe you will find some of those interesting to you, so that you will also feel like keeping those with you in your car. So to start with, see, this is a hammer. See, it has got a pointed thing here, it has got a pointed thing here as well. So this is useful when if you're driving a car and you get into an accident because of which your car fell into a water body. It could be river, lake, maybe on a hilly area if there is an ocean or that side, whatever. If your car falls inside it and if you are trapped, you have to break your window and come out. At that time, this hammer becomes very useful. And if it is the night time, this has got a glow stick as well, so that you can see in the night where this hammer is in your car. It has got this attachment as well, which you can fix it at some easily accessible place within the car, so that you can just take it out and break the window. This has also got this thing, this blade here. This is to cut the seat belt that you are wearing. You can cut the seat belt, break the window, get out. Similarly related to this is another thing. See, so if you are inside water, right, with your car you are submerged in the water, it may not be easy to break the window by moving your hand like this, right, because it's water all around. You may not get that much power. At that time, this thing can be very useful. So it is also like a hammer, but the difference is it is a spring operated hammer. So you have to touch this part of it towards the screen, so towards the window, and you press it. Then a spring, with a spring action, hammer will come out and it will break the window. So you don't have to move your hand. And again, this also has got this cut thing here, this blade, so that you can cut the seat belt. I'll just show you. Say this is a box, right? I mean, just consider this as the window, and then I'm putting it like this. Did you hear the sound? And see, it has now punctured it. So if it would have been a glass, it would have got shattered. So that's where this is very handy. Next thing is, this is a puncture kit that I have got with me. See, so you can make puncture of your car, of your tires. It has got everything that you need. These are the strips. This is something with which you can put a hole on, put the strips on, and this is lubricant that you need to put in. It's an air pressure gauge, cutter, everything, so that you can easily make the puncture of your tire. And once the puncture of the tire is made, then you will need this to pump air, right? So this is also a very useful device. You can just select the air pressure of the tire, whichever you want to fill in, and then this is like a simple snap, click, and that's it. And to power it, it has got a cord. You can power it with your car power outlet. Just put this thing inside it, and then it will fill up the air in your car tire. Apart from this, I have also got this very heavy duty, very strong, very thick tape. You can see it's thicker than all my 4 fingers. So it is around 3 inch thick, and this is a very strong. This is useful when, say, if your car hits somewhere, right, and if there is a piece of it that gets broken. So instead of letting it hang loose, which can cause further accident with other vehicle or with some other person, you can use this tape to strongly attach that piece back onto the car till the time you are able to reach to a proper mechanic shop, right? And you can make use of it in a multiple different scenario, right? Just consider this is a very strong tape, and you can think of various scenario. You have to put something, a heavy luggage which is moving inside. You can try and stick it for the time being, or the uses are endless. There is also very simple thing which we don't sometimes realize, but say if your car battery is dead, right? If you are stuck in some remote place in your long drive, car battery is dead, you don't have anything even to light, then coming back to the very basics, candles, right? Just keep this candle and a lighter in your car so that you can make use of this when the need be, right? And you never know when they might come handy. Another thing is, I have got this lantern. This is a very powerful lantern. It is operated by batteries. You can use it not just to light when you are in a remote area. As I said, if you are stuck somewhere, you can use this as a light source. Additionally, you can keep it on top of your car and put it in the blinker mode so that it will signal some help that might be coming your way. Okay, like this. Another useful item that I have is this. This is an electric food container for warming your food, right? It's a food warmer. It has got decent capacity inside of it, right? Again, this has got power cord which can get connected to your car power outlet. You can connect it here, and the size is good enough, decent amount of food to be kept here and to be warmed, and the power rating is quite high. So when you will buy such kind of electric boxes to heat up your food, just look at how much are their power rating. If lower power rating means your food may not get hot, or it will take a lot of time for the food to get hot. So this one is good. I like this, and it has got a special lid on that. If you see, there is this opening. This is a plastic opening. So this is, if I press this, it opens up. It may not be so much visible, but it opens up some holes inside it, right? So what the water vapor, if it is building up inside, it can escape from here. You don't have to open the whole food container. And once the food is already heated and you don't plan to eat it immediately, then for that I have got its bag here. See, it has got all these silver foils here. So this is to avoid the heat loss. So once the food is heated, you can keep this food inside this hot bag, and then keep it for some time before you try to eat it. If you are, say, stuck in some roadside scenario in some remote areas, or even if you are just traveling and it is much colder outside, right? And if there is some problem with the HVAC system, the heating and cooling system of your car, in multiple such scenarios, you can make use of this. This is a woolen blanket. It's a very heavy duty woolen blanket. It not only helps you get saved from the cold, but wool is a strong water repellent as well. So if you are sitting outside from your car or on the roadside, car battery is dead, you are just waiting for the help to come, and there is little drizzles, this will prevent you from those little water droplets. It definitely will not act like an umbrella, but yeah, it will give you some little bit of protection in addition to keeping you warm. This may not be useful for everyone, but this is an electric bidet. So if you are someone who wants to wash things in addition to using the toilet paper, so yeah, this is an electric bidet. You can just fill the water, it will open up, and then if you just press the button, it will start throwing the water continuously, right? So yeah, it's a useful bidet, right? But only for those who want to use water as well in addition to the toilet paper. So we are now kind of moving more towards a camping kind of thing, right? But still, if you get stuck at some place, the car may become your camp even if you wanted it or not. So you can keep this. This is an inflatable mattress. It's a queen size mattress. You can see how much smaller it is now. So you can keep this inside your car, and whenever you need it, if your car seats allow, if they fold and allow you the whole space to make it like a bed, you can use this inflatable mattress. And for that, I have an air pump as well. This pump again gets power from your car power outlet. You connect this into the power outlet, connect this into the pump, connect the pump to this mattress, and then it will blow up the mattress for you to lie comfortably. And there's one more thing, and to show that I have to take out my camera from the stand, and here it is. See this, a fridge for the car. So here you can select the temperature of what you want to keep it inside. If it is ice cream, you want to keep it to very low temperature. It can go up to minus 20 degrees Celsius or minus 7 Fahrenheit. And it has got this compartment kind of a thing as well. This is removable, you can remove it. And yeah, here you can keep the glasses. So it is very much useful. I've used the other type of cooler kind of thing as well, in which you put the ice and then keep other things, but that's not pretty much useful, because first, it does not keep it things to as cool as you want the ice cream to be, right? And another thing is, after some time the ice gets melted and then inside is filled with cold water. You don't like that, right? It spoils the food. So that's why this electric freezer is very useful. No need to put the ice inside of it. You can make use of all the space to keep the items that you want. Now, in addition to all of these, I have some more useful accessories. Say if you want to keep your car properly neat and clean, I have got this, a handheld vacuum cleaner. From inside you can just suck up everything gets stored here. It has got proper filters to clean up everything. It is powerful enough as well. And in addition to that, I have couple of liquid bottles. So this one is specifically to clean the glass of the car, right? To make it spotless. This one is there. I'm not telling you the brand because I'm not promoting any brand, but yeah, you can search for various such useful products, look for the reviews, see which one looks better to you, which one is in your budget, and you can go for those kind of items. Now the another bottle I have, this is to clean everything in the car body, which is like hard thing, like plastic material or any hard surface that you have. Maybe even some metal areas, whatever you have. So all of those can get cleaned with this. And this one is specifically for cleaning the leather. So leather of your car seat, it not only cleans the leather, it also improves the overall health of that leather, like the car seat, right? Car seat and steering wheel, wherever you have leather in your car, you can use this instead of using the other one which I showed you previously. So I hope you liked one or two of the product that you feel are good enough for you to consider keeping that in your car. So go ahead and buy that and make your ride safe and enjoyable.